Oh, you got that right.
That's nice. It's very nice.
Hear me, dwarves. For tonight marks the 17,000th birthday of the great legend Ellen.
Ellen! Her name. Ellen.
Calm your spirits.
Okay.
I'll tell you Ellen's tale.
That'd be great.
Musicians will play. For it is a tale unworthy of simple words.
What?
It must be recounted in song.
She came down like a ray of sun. As the battle began, my brothers and sisters stood to praise. Stood a great oak tree.
Hi, look! Here comes Orem. A bear news from the front lines, Captain. The orcs have been sighted beyond the bridge.
Oh,
It's no time for war. Aye, there be the horns now. Gear up, gentlemen, for it's time to
only
get...
after I finish telling this tale.
But, Captain,
As I was saying,
you be jeopardising the entire encampment.
Oh, come on, Orkman. Let him finish his tale. Yeah. We need to finish this bottle of wine likewise. Cheers to that. Cheers to that.
Oh, look out! Oh, you got it, you got it. Nice. We ain't never seen anything like that. Please. Dwarves, please. You must listen. The orcs are nearly upon us now. We haven't got much time.
calm your spirits, Orkman. There is yet time. Time for another tale, that is. As I was saying,
That's the spirit.
as our brothers and sisters started to flee,
Oh, they were
they ran toward the great oak tree.
I know
For
the
it
oak tree.
was
I know
where
the
they
oak
met
tree.
when times were black,
I know the oak tree.
our homes burning, their crumbled shacks.
As things are, right now. That's what I've been trying to tell you this whole time. Our homes are burning. The crumbled shacks are there. The great oak tree is where the horns of war are stationed. And the guards, helplessly wailing out to us. No one seems to be listening. I fear for the worst. We're all doomed. We're all doomed.
Bravo! Bravo!
All
right.
clapping.
Oh, I heard the orchestra.
This is actually happening.
The most beautiful rendition of orcs breaching the outer castle walls. Sonata.
Great job.
Most beautiful, Orkman. Thank you. Thank you for that performance.
Thank you.
But Captain, this is not just a performance. This is actually happening. I'm not sure where this orchestra came from. It was a lovely performance, granted. These events I'm telling you about are actually unfolding right before our eyes. No. It would take nothing short of a miracle at this point to turn us around. But your lack of response and belief for what I'm saying only puts us in a worse situation.
Hey.
We need a miracle.
You mean a miracle like Ellen?
The great legend Ellen lived 17,000 years ago.
17,000.
How can we expect her to show up now?
I don't know.
All hope is lost now.
Now, come on, Orc man.
I've not yet finished telling the tale. The tale of how our ancients summoned the great Ellen through song.
Hi, look! Here comes Olaf!
I bring word from the front lines.
What news?
A great sight has just been sighted. Something as bright as the sun just fell out of the sky, right under the middle of battle.
What?
It looks like an angel,
An angel?
though I've never seen one myself.
I've seen an angel. I've seen one. Oh, no, you haven't. Get out of my way. Chief, you can trust in me with this matter. I've most experience with angels of the whole group, I'm sure.
By my beard, I've heard enough. I'm the resident expert at angel identification. You can trust in me.
What? I thought I was. I know angels really good, you know. I used to work with them a couple of times.
I have heard enough. I have made my decision. We will all venture forth to see this angel. And if it is what I think it is, we've nothing to worry about, my fellow dwarves. Onward. Arm yourselves. Prepare for battle.
What you be hanging around, listening to music here for? The dwarves are thrown enough without you. We must make haste. Follow me. There be the captain, just beyond the ridge there. Right under the oak tree. Travel safely, will you?
It seems we have a bit of a weak point on the right flank. Orkman, ready your steed. Make haste.
Hurry!
You mustn't allow the orcs through that point.
I'll be off.
And you, where have you been? Mingling with the bards, I see. You're quite a fighter.
That's right.
You'll join the rest of us in the front.
What? Why do we have to fight alongside this newcomer?
Yeah, I agree. Why do we have to fight alongside?
Easy enough to answer. We need all the hands we can get. We're dying out there. What do you expect us to do?
And still no sign of Ellen at all. Most troubling.
Most troubling indeed. But what's that? Out on the battlefield, do you see it?
No.
Look.
Where?
Look.
Where?
Oh, I see it. I see it, Captain.
I don't.
I see it.
Get out of there. Let me see it.
I wanna see
Let
it.
me see it.
What is it?
Do my eyes deceive me? Your eyes don't deceive anything. I can see it with my own two eyes.
Hi, look! It's lighting up.
It is I, the legend Ellen.
Hi, look! It's Ellen.
Why dost thou fight? Don't you know life is short? We must value the ones in our lives. More so than anything.
That's right.
Even war and riches.
Cheers to that. Cheers to that.
And wine. Beer. Ale.
Wait.
Rum. Mead.
What?
And grog.
And so it was that the legend Ellen brought peace and prosperity throughout the entire world. Must dwarves even stop drinking in her name? All is well in a world where Ellen exists.